This is Build a Flower Begonia stem set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stem set with 13 individual stems. This stem set features large begonia flower in 4 layers and the accompanying leaf in 4 layers as well. Each layer was designed to provide the delicate details of the bloom and the leaf when stamped. You can stamp each layer using our Krista inks for easy stamp layering technique. There are also positive sentiments included in the stem set to complete your projects. This Build a Flower Begonia stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Build a Flower Begonia stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.